Close your eyes and sit comfortably in a chair or on the ground with your back straight. And notice your breath flowing in and out of your nostrils. Simply notice this breath. Notice that there's no right way to breathe. There's no wrong way to breathe. However you breathe, however this breath flows into you and out of you, it is okay. If your breath is shallow, it's shallow. If it's deep, it's deep. Simply notice this breath. And notice too that there is nothing for you to do with this breath. Now lift your arms, lift your hands. About a foot up into the air. And focus your attention on the palms of your hands. See if you can feel the gentle current of energy flowing through your hands. If your thoughts have come, release those thoughts and return your attention to the palms of your hand. Into your fingers, your wrists, maybe even the backs of your hands. Observe these hands like a scientist. Simply observe the feeling of them. How are they pulsating? Where is the tingling? How large do they feel? Can you feel the cloud of energy around them? Turn your palms forward so they're facing the front. Can you feel the gentle current of energy through your fingers. This is your life force flowing through your hands, flowing through the entirety of your body. As you lower your hands back down to your legs, appreciate this current of life flowing through you. You are so much more than this physical vessel. As you go through the day today, know that this energy flows through you every moment of every day. It flows through every cell of your body. It is the reality of you. If you wish to continue meditating on your own, you're welcome to do so. Otherwise, return to the body and return to your beautiful life.